How to see the raw SQL queries Django is running. Is there a way to show the SQL that Django is running while performing a query?
See the docs FAQ, how can I see the raw SQL queries Django is running? Django.db.connection.queries contains a list of the SQL queries. Query sets also have a query attribute containing the query to be executed. Note that the output of the query is not valid SQL, because Django never actually interpolates the parameters, it sends the query and the parameters separately to the database adapter, which performs the appropriate operations. From Django bug report number 17741. Because of that, you should not send query output directly to a database. If you need to reset the queries to, for example, see how many queries are running in a given period, you can use reset_queries from django.db.
Take a look at debug_toolbar. It's very useful for debugging. Documentation and source is available at this URL.
The query is actually embedded in the Models API.
I find by far the most useful, simple, and reliable method is to ask your database. For example, on Linux for PostgreSQL you might do. Each database will have slightly different procedure. In the database logs you'll see not only the raw SQL, but any connection setup or transaction overhead Django is placing on the system.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.